for taking the insulation out of the wall, I found this nice bit of information. It was R5 insulation by Owens Corning. So you can see that. All the good specs. So yeah, not great R value. I wouldn't go up to the Arctic in one of these bad boys. But yeah, that's all of it right there. Just 2 big bags and four smaller bags. There's one back around the trailer. So that's all done. We just gotta finish getting the last little bit of siding off on this side, and then pull all the tin roof off, and then I can go take that to the metal recycling guys, get it out of my hair, and yeah. So then we'll just bash out all the cabinets on the inside, and yeah. So just keep following us on this journey, and hope you enjoy the content. So the plan here is to get this thing to tip over onto its side, and hopefully it doesn't just collapse into big mush. As you saw in the time lapse, I took a skill saw and cut through all the way along that side, and there's about 3 studs I didn't cut just to stop it from collapsing before it gets yanked off the trailer. And we left this side without cutting it at all. I mean, it's so badly rotten at the front and the back, who knows what's going to happen. And I didn't bother cutting the front and the back because, I mean, this is just, you'll see here. Yeah, so didn't have to worry about even bothering to cut that. And the back's a little bit better. But, so anyways, yeah, we'll see how this goes. Be entertaining anyways. Hope you guys enjoy. So this is the setup we got to pull the trailer off the frame. So it goes from I got tied to the ball here, comes in up through a hole in roughly the middle of the trailer at the top, and then comes out where this cabinet was, just like that, and goes out one side of the wall, comes around right there, and then back out into the truck. So that's what we're hoping is going to work. Here goes nothing. Keep her going. So that good old-fashioned controlled demolition went flawlessly, and so now the not so much fun part begins, and gotta pull all the stud work apart and knock the paneling off and get ready to get disposed of. But that'll be one big part of this project down, just getting rid of the old structure. So yeah, that was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it.